Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. We are in part 2 of the Revit class. So we're going to start now. What I'll do is I click on default metric template. Okay, we're going to start from blank screen. Our aim is to complete the project which I showed you previously. So whenever you whenever you start a project, I'm just going to give you a heads up today. Okay, just a minute. Can you hear me? Nice. Can you hear me? Yeah, I think you can hear me now. Yeah. So what's the story? So we're going to insert a file. Okay. Generally, you get. Now, I don't want students to come and ask me, hey, John, send me this PDF or whatever. Okay. In the modern ones, you cannot insert an PDF. That is a story. In the new, this old version, you cannot insert a PDF. So what I'll do is, actually I wanted to insert a PDF link. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the PDF into an image and then insert that image here. Okay, that's the story for the day. Okay, so I do that conversion and then I'll see you in the next class. Okay, thank you.